Hi, Professor K here. So I just wanted to give you a little bit of a video so that you can see what you're being asked to do in your diagnostic assignment. This is the college writing video. So we're thinking about what to demonstrate and how to show that you're ready for this course and how to produce your best work. So that's really what you want to be thinking about. This assignment is based on your previous experience as a student. So nobody expects you to write like a college student like the end of this course, right? We just want to see where you're entering into the course. And so I would really stress to you that you don't want to overdo it. You probably need, I would think, about 2 hours to complete this assignment maximum. So that's something to think about. And so we just want to be remembering that this is a homework assignment and it is ungraded. So I'm trying to evaluate where you stand in the course right now. You did stuff like this probably your whole education, but you just didn't realize that that's what was going on. Okay, so main thing is to think about that this is a process. It's kind of like when you go to the doctor and they just want to give you a physical and make sure that you're okay. That's exactly what the college is trying to see. We're trying to see, are you in good health, and are you going to be able to produce the level of work that we need you to produce in the course. So we're thinking about, this is important to do your own work. It may be tempting to go into Google and copy something you find on there, but that's going to be cheating. Also, it's going to have a negative effect on you because I won't have any sense of what you can do and what you can't do. So if you fake it and you copy somebody else's work, I can't teach you anything because I don't know what you need, and then I won't know how you can achieve success. So it's important that I see where you actually stand in the course. And also a reminder again that this assignment is ungraded and you don't have to worry, just do your best work. Okay, so we're thinking about how to draft this essay. I want to show you that you're going to be asked to read this article. This is a link. If you click on this link, it takes you to the article. The article is called Blue Collar Brilliance. It was written in June of 2009 by Mike Rose, and it is questioning assumptions about intelligence, work, and social class. So social class means where you are in like the economic and social landscape. So he starts off talking about his mother, and it's really a nice article. As you go through, he tells a story, and so I'm just scrolling down here. It starts to change a little bit when you get to where he talks about the research. So here's where it starts to get more analytical and kind of scientific. So while you're reading, it's a good idea to take notes. You might want to think about whether or not you understand some of the vocabulary. You may have to Google some words if you don't know them, or you may have to pull out your dictionary. So when you get to the end of the article, there's a little bit of a summary, so that can help you. And you just want to demonstrate to me that you understood what you read, and you're going to summarize. So here's the first part of what you're going to write. A paragraph that's a summary of what you read. So think about the questions that you got when you were in high school where it would say summarize the main point. What's the thesis? How was it written? That kind of thing. So one paragraph that's going to introduce the article, and then another paragraph that's going to be more of an analysis. Do you agree with the author's main point? Why? If you disagree, explain what you think. How do you think the author is incorrectly arguing? What would you say about the theme or the topic? And then remember to include some ideas to wrap up your essay. You can also use an example of somebody that you think has a high level of intelligence. I've had students write about their uncles that have plumbing businesses, or if you work in a restaurant, you know, talking about blue-collar work and how it can show intelligence or not, if you think that that kind of work doesn't show a level of intelligence. So that's the assignment here, the diagnostic essay. Do your best, good luck, and remember to submit it to the discussion, remember to submit it to the course management system. So on D2L, you're going to put it all in there. I recommend that you use Word, and one of the reasons that I recommend that you use Word is because you can save the documents and upload them. So if you write all of your submissions into the submission box, you lose that. So rather copy and paste it into the submission box, or just attach it as a Word document. Don't do it as a PDF, because then I can't comment on it. If you do it as a Word document, then you and I can work on them together, and we will come back to this assignment at some point. Okay, just do your best. Good luck.